This program is brought to you by Coral Club International. The Earth we live on looks like a giant blue ball from space, with 2/3 covered by ocean. The oceans have provided many sources of food from many species of plant and animal life. Early explorers discovered new life and new land while traveling upon these waters. Even today, scientists discover new secrets of the Earth's great oceans, secrets that may even unlock the mysteries of life, health, and longevity. In 1979, a British journalist from the Guinness Book of Records was given the assignment of interviewing the world's oldest living person. A 115-year-old man lived on one of the small islands surrounding Okinawa, Japan. Mr. Izumi was in remarkably good health and had worked until the age of 105. The journalist was astonished to discover the islands were filled with many elderly people who were not only in incredible health, but who had little or no incidence of serious health problems. Heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, and other common paralyzing and killer diseases were virtually non-existent with the island inhabitants. Soon after, a team of scientists and medical doctors came to the island to study the mystery of health and longevity of these people. What they discovered was truly amazing. The source of their good health did not come from strenuous exercise or a special diet. In fact, it wasn't at all what they were eating, but what they were drinking that made the difference. The water the islanders were drinking was different from water found anywhere else in the world. The islands of Okinawa were built up on coral reefs. Sclerotinia coral, a unique type of coral that is only found in Okinawa, Japan. As rain falls on these islands and percolates through the ancient coral deposits, it picks up minerals and other elements that enrich it and make it truly unique because this coral is so rich in calcium and magnesium. The combination of elements is very similar to the chemical construction of the human skeleton. It is very high alkaline with a pH level up to 10.0. After nearly a decade of research, scientists discovered that small amounts of this Sclerotinia coral added to just about any liquid can have several remarkable effects on the body. First, it increases the pH level and makes the water more alkaline. It helps to neutralize any waste products present in water and adds a number of important minerals often removed during treatment at the local water plant. Even water with impurities such as chlorine, bacteria, algae, heavy metals, and fluoride can be treated with this special brand of coral called Alkaline, which can provide a healthier pH alkaline level. Word of the healing properties of this remarkable coral has spread throughout Japan, and the health-conscious Japanese government has authorized Coral Biotech Company Limited to mine this coral from the sea floor around the islands of Okinawa. Today, several million Japanese use this incredible product daily. Many countries in Europe are discovering the healing properties of alkaline coral. Coral, because of its similar chemical consistency to the human skeleton, is even being used by some surgeons in bone reconstruction. European doctors sometimes recommend alkaline coral to patients with arthritis, rheumatism, intestinal and digestive problems, skin disorders, viruses, diabetes, heart disease, liver damage, menopause, cancer, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, and various autoimmune deficiency, even AIDS. From deep within the ocean comes an incredible substance that when added to water may help to cleanse, nourish, and balance the system. Alkaline coral may well be the secret to a long and healthy life. Coral Biotech of Japan is the largest company in the world, licensed by the Japanese government to mine that special kind of coral. They have licensed the world's distribution rights to a company in Sweden called Ericsson's Medical Preventive Group.
And we make a contract for to sell the product over the world. I know that this product can be one of the biggest things in the world. My philosophy is, this is the water.
Although the discovery of Ericsson's alkaline coral has been thrilling to the medical and scientific community, the local islanders of Okinawa have long had a legend passed down from generation to generation about a great treasure that would one day come from Okinawa. Ericsson's alkaline coral has been used for over 2 decades by people all over Europe and Japan, and over 1 decade in America. Ericsson's alkaline coral comes in a convenient 1-gram bag that can be added to 1.5 liters of pure water. Water is the single most important nutrient for sustaining human life. The body consists of 70% water, the blood 90%. The blood is responsible for transporting nourishment to every living cell and is the key to all bodily functions. Under normal conditions, the average person requires from 1.5 to 3 liters of water per day. Unfortunately, the world's water supply is rapidly deteriorating due to pollutants, pesticides, and acid rain. There are also many dangerous elements found in most water today. Things such as chloroform, nitrates, cadmium, and aluminum. Many of these pollutants come from factory discharges, agriculture, and sewer pipes, finding their way into the drinking water supply. Chlorine is used by most water treatment plants to kill bacteria. However, chlorine is also deadly to the human body. It's like giving up one vice for another. But watch what happens to a glass of chlorinated water after Ericsson's alkaline coral is added. You may live in an area where water has little or no chlorine but still has a low pH and high acid level. The body needs water with a high pH level to fight against sickness and disease. To illustrate the value of balanced water, at an acid level of 6.0, crabs die, and fish die at pH level of 3.0, and all life dies at 2.5 pH. Leading biochemists and medical psychologists have recognized the proper pH level and acid-alkaline balance as an important aspect of a balanced and healthy body. Could alkaline coral be the substance that is fulfilling the ancient Japanese prophecy? From the Sea of Okinawa will come a treasure that will bless all the people of the world. Alkaline coral-enriched water, reverently referred to as the milk of the ocean, may be just what your body is looking for. Ericsson's alkaline coral can help you attain the proper pH your body needs to promote a long and healthy life.
I'm sure it will be more and more coral users, alkaline users, definitely.
Ericsson's alkaline coral is a product of Coral Club International.